Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to One Peabody Circle in Penfield.
This is a picture-perfect colonial with a rare and private location backing the woods.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
You could see the quality and exceptional condition upon entering this special home. With a tile foyer, open to an expansive living room with a picture window, and dining room with a chair rail and scenic backyard views. All with an extremely useful office or den.
Enjoy this remarkable updated eat-in kitchen with gorgeous soft-close debut cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops with a center island. Open to a spacious family room with a vaulted ceiling with skylights and a brick gas fireplace, all with an adjacent laundry, powder room, and patio access.
The upstairs features a spacious landing, leading to 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this relaxing owner suite with double closets and a private bathroom with a skylight. The classic architectural detailing stands the test of time, featuring a maintenance-free exterior plus a worry-free backup generator. This home features a beautifully landscaped private backyard with an expansive paver patio and pergola for shade on those relaxing summer days. Peabody Circle is a neighborhood of fine homes that ends in a cul-de-sac, yet close to everything Penfield has to offer.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of One Peabody Circle in Penfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!